put $1,000 in the pool.
Do what you need to do, right? That's on you. Ready to go? Yeah, you need to race it.
Man, you gonna put me? Where you gonna put me at, Demon? Where you say you gonna put me at?
Man, I already got you on there.
I'm not on this. I ain't racing.
No, I already got you on there. I put you on it from last time. You said, damn.
Nah, man, I ain't racing this car. This one. This the one. This the one. This thing go global with this one.
So far, I done had about 5 races out here. I won 3 and lost 2. But there was some fast cars. But I'm gonna keep doing it. I got more races to win. We're gonna race this half electric, half gas Corvette. It's fast. We're gonna see how fast it really is.
Let me ask you this.
Talk to me.
The red one.
The red one.
Is this the red one?
No, this is not the red one.
What the red one is?
Red one is at home in the garage.
For real, so you got the blue one and the black one. The red one at home.
And the red one at home.
All right. I'm finna put $1,000 in the blue one.
Do what you need to do, right? That's on you.
Demonology. I like saying it like that. All right, who y'all got left side, right side? Sorry, I got the way shot. I'm so sorry. Did I forget to mention that Mopar vehicles are made for burnouts? I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Who you got? Who you got? Left side, right side?
Oh, this shit.
Oh, really? Okay. All right.
No.
I gotta see it in the crowd. Left side, right side. See it in the crowd. Left side, right side. Everybody hands on the right side. All right. All right. Left side. We say left side. All right. Keep on down. 17.
E-Ray, so C8 E-Ray, all-wheel drive, electric motors up front, and then V8 in the back that's powering the rear tires.
And it's a lot faster than I thought.
It's quick. It's quick. The thing is moving. I mean, it ran good. I mean, I ran against Lamborghini SV, ended up beating that. I raced against a Ferrari Pista in the roll race. That got me. I wish I would have raced it in the dig, but we didn't get a chance.
Right.
Raced against a red FBL GTR, ended up beating a very good race.
Nice.
And then, yeah, just running. Then obviously ran against your Demon 170. I knew this thing was going to get me, but it was still interesting.
Well, I mean, but the Demon 170 is purposely built to race on the drag.
Yeah.
And your car is more of a road race car.
It's a cruiser, road course. It's just like kind of an all everything car. You know, it's hard to pinpoint what it's really for, but it's a solid car.
What I want to know from you, what do you think about drag racing from being a sports car racer?
I started off, my first time ever being on any kind of track period was a drag strip. So I love drag racing. I love, coming down here. People say, oh, you're only going in a straight line for 10 seconds or whatever. I'm like, you go come and try jumping into a 10, 9, 8 second, 7-second car. Who has the biggest adrenaline rush? Like, it's crazy. Like I love going on road courses. I love going on corners. I love going 140 miles per hour into a corner.
No,
that's fun.
See that to me, that's too much wear and tear.
That's what
on
I
the car.
literally was just doing.
To me, that's too much wear and tear on the car.
Last weekend at Willow Springs at turn 8, you're entering 140
mile an hour.
140, yeah.
At 140 mile an hour, I'm looking to pull the parachute at 150.
And that's like
so I'm ready to stop.
Lightly touching the brake going. That's not a hard. That's not 140 hard brakes. That is 140. Barely touch the brake and then turn it in, and then hold the throttle, maintenance throttle, just to hold speed through there. Yeah,
good luck.
So through it, you're averaging 130 something miles per hour through there.
Jesse, what's your thought on the Demon 170?
I think it's a good car. I mean, it's awesome that Dodge makes these kind of vehicles. Nobody else put the effort to make this style vehicle. Obviously, people want this, right? People are buying these things. So I think it's a solid car. Like, it's cool that because they have the Challenger drag pack, or whatever, the dragster car, right? But this is like the street version of that.
I mean, cool. but they also have the Cobra Camaro.
They do, yeah. They got
and they have the Cobra Jet.
But we don't have like a street version.
A street variant.
This is a street variant of the drag pack.
Man, tell Chevy to step up and do something.
Maybe one day. Well, I don't know. It'd be cool if we had a street version muscle car that could like come to the track and go 8. Like an 8-second car.
Hey man, good racing with you. Love you. Hey man, tell them where they can find your channel.
Yeah, just look me up on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever. You can look me up. I got the same name on all of them. It's Jesse Iwuji. That's JESSE_IWUJI. You can look me up on all the channels. I'm there. I put out content like every single week, every day, and just have fun with cars and race professionally when I get a chance to.
Hey, much love, my brother.
Yeah, for sure.
Peace. Keep doing it.
Yeah, most definitely. Thanks for having the event.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.